Alright, today I'm making a quick green bean stir fry. Sorry I didn't start at the beginning. Basically I put the oil in there, heat the oil a little bit, and then I put this garlic powder in there a lot if you like it. And this green bean, I just cut them into this, this length, and then you can add whatever salt, pepper. I even gonna put a little bit of Thai dry ground chili in there. So it's nothing much. This is very simple to do. Thai chili in here. What I did actually, I think my wife roasted them, those big chili, dry chili, and then she grind them, turn it into this somewhat fine chili here. Thai chili is very hot. So it's kind of like a roasted, and then we grind it, in the blender or whatnot. You can do that too. So just add a little bit more here. And this is almost done. Let me take it out to cook. Just add a little bit of water here. And the seasoning, you can use whatever you prefer. Doesn't really matter. It's quick, easy to do, and you can eat it by itself or with rice or with other dishes. You don't want to overcook this. I crank it up on pretty much high here. So make sure it's not burning, depending on how intensity of your oven is. It smells so good. Maybe add a little bit of water here. So this makes a very quick and easy and healthy, with a lot of fiber and protein. Let me try one of these, Almost done. Just a couple more minutes, I think should be okay. Want to make it, keep it a little bit crunchy, but not too raw. The garlic smells so good here. Garlic is really good for your health, especially if you get organic garlic powder if you can. I think we're almost done here. Okay. This is done. I'm just gonna put them here in my original bowl. Wow. You have hot steamed rice. This is really gonna make a perfect dish. Simple dish. Well, thank you for watching. Try it. See how you like it. And you can, you can use other vegetables too, like asparagus. Well, take care. See you next time, and happy holidays.